Hi everybody, Broomstitch Rita here, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I have a couple of exciting things to share with you today. I'm really excited. What you see here is my reorganized craft space. This has never happened before, but what happened was I got a mental block. Basically, I couldn't craft anymore because my craft desk was so disorganized and so messy that I just kind of mentally prevented me from crafting. I just couldn't take it anymore. So over the Easter weekend, and I hope you guys had a nice Easter, I had ordered this little shelving unit that you see here from Amazon, and it came really fast. And then I just dedicated a couple of days for completely clearing out and redoing my craft area. So this just got done. I mean, literally just got done just about 30 minutes ago, and I figured I'll do a little bit of a video about it and show you what it looks like now. I actually took some pictures for myself for future reference because I don't know if it's ever going to look this organized again. To some of you it might not even look that organized, but anyways, this is my organized state. This is my little sewing machine. This is my setup for my filming, and sorry, I try not to go too fast. Let me show you my little baby girl, my little 18-year-old kitty, Nakaya, right there. One of 3 elderly rescue kitties that we have. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna put you in a stationary position and hope you can stay with me here throughout this rest of this video. Again, I hope you had a good Easter, and what I have to share with you today is something crazy. As I went through my little organizational phase, I've decided to do a de-stash event, which I've never done before, but I've accumulated so much stuff, so much in terms of supplies, that I just said I just have to basically get rid of some. So I created little de-stash journal kits for you guys to enjoy, and these are kits that are listed in my eBay shop, and they're really inexpensive. I am offering them for the low price that you see below on in my title. So the only thing that I have is whatever I can fit into this flat rate padded envelope. Whatever I can stuff into this big envelope, you will get that. You'll get whatever I can stuff in here. And you basically, you know, I do ask you to pay for the shipping, but I'm not charging anything extra. It's $9.65 that you see as the shipping charge, because that's exactly the fee for sending this flat rate envelope. So whatever I can fit in here, regardless of the rate, I will. So I have made several de-stash/journal kits, and I wanted to share one with you just so you get an idea of what you will be receiving. Each one is different, and each one has a great variety of items in it that you can use in your journaling right away. As you open it, you can already start putting these in your journals. This is the paper unit of this kit, and what you'll get everything that you see here. It's wrapped in this really soft, it's like almost like a placemat material, but you can actually cut it up. You can cut these out. You can use them whatever you want to use them for in your journaling or paper crafting. And then I have this vintage WISS model CB9 professional Newark, New Jersey USA. It's a shear, like for cutting fabric that you receive, because I have two and I don't need two of them. So again, I'm destashing this really pretty. It's probably longer than a yard with some rhinestones in it. Velvet, pink velvet ribbon that I've gotten at Hobby Lobby. Index cards. These are, I'm not even sure what these are, but you can use them for crafting. It's a vintage. And this is an unused, huge Stampers Anonymous stamp. This is what the stamp is. It's a big stamp right here, brand new. Napkin and various scrapbooking papers here, flashcards, vintage bingo cards, some other various ephemera, some dyed and not dyed guest checks, both coffee dyed and non-coffee dyed. This is really pretty. This is a vintage, you open it up like this, placemat, paper placemat, but it's embossed. So you could actually take a gold paste, texture paste or something to highlight, or whatever color you want, mauve or pink, whatever, and or blue, and highlight these embossed flowers and such on here if you wanted to, or you can just leave it as such, as is, or you can coffee dye it. You can cut it into pieces. You can use it as a journal page. I included a couple of them in here for you. Vintage graph paper, several sheets of a bunch of music papers, more scrapbooking paper, cardstock, various cardstocks in here. So this is just your paper bundle of the journal kit that you're getting. Then I have, let's do the fabric next. I have this bundle that I safety pinned together on the top here. Let's see if we can open this up. Yep, there we go. Gonna put this back right here. There. A little bit of a coffee dyed key ring. This is a cute little crochet applique that I took apart from a table runner, I think it was. So everything in here, I have big pieces of lace. This is some shabby chic cotton fabric. This is a vintage hanky. More curtain. This is a really pretty canvas rose material. Coffee dyed lace. Coffee dyed, more coffee dye material. This is a really pretty like not jute, but you know what I'm talking about. This like a sack material. And this is a full sheet of curtain that full panel, I should say, with various mauve and light green in there. And then it comes bundled in this really cute little hand embroidered, cross-stitched and crocheted edges. It's a little table runner that you will receive with that. And then that was your fabric and lace bundle. Each set comes with fabric and lace bundles, and then a bunch of other stuff. This one has a bias tape. Oh, look at this beautiful napkin. All kinds of goodies in here, from tickets. This is a little bit of seam binding. This is vintage tickets, more vintage tickets, more guest checks, a bunch of guest checks for you guys. Journaling cards. Let's see, a bunch of little things in here. Just all kinds of things you can use in your journals. There. So these will go back in here. I'll do that later. The next item in this set is, let me see here. You will get this really pretty lace. It's probably more than a yard that I put on here. This is some seam binding that I coffee dyed. It's light blue, but it's coffee dyed. Really soft yarn with a little sparkle to it. And then this is some stretchy pink, a mauvish lace. And then this is a piece of some lace and I can't remember, burlap. Yeah, burlap and lace. And it's a cute little sign that I made, do not disturb. You can put it out on your door for your craft room. Okay, so this, I'm not gonna take everything out. Oops, part of this fell out. But here is a bunch of buttons. Lots of buttons. Then you'll get this necklace that you can take apart if you want and use it for crafting. Then you get some more little bling and some yarn, not yarn, but thread, gold and black thread. Coffee dye tickets. Also, this is the last item here. 2 rolls of ribbons. And then more lace. And this is a really nice, deep green seam binding. Some pink lace and some pink really soft yarn. Now, what's not in here yet and what I'm going to also include is some of these goodies that I have on this. I have all kinds of little, these are bird buttons. I have little appliques. I have these little roses. These are not foam, these are actually fabric roses that I have coffee dyed. And then I have these cute little butterflies. So, and then some of these flowers. So I will be including, and some more, and some charms that I made. And then these are little stickers, wooden, but they are wooden bees. So anyways, I'm gonna include some of these in the package also, in each package. So all this is going to be included in the set, in your set. So yeah, there will be pictures up on eBay. And so this is what I've been doing, guys. I've been just organizing. And my husband is so funny. He just always laughs at me when I say I'm organizing, because he says it doesn't look any better. But he hasn't seen the finished desk yet. He'll have to wait and see when he gets home from work. So yeah, I am going to be putting these sets together, and as I put them together, I will be listing them. And any questions you have, let me know. And I'm gonna try to you know, go through all my stuff, and whatever I don't use or I have too much of, I'm going to be listing. And yeah, I hope that this helps out anybody who is just either starting out or is looking for some kind of supplies. And I'm offering them at a really inexpensive price, because I want to first of all, I want to get rid of stuff, and to tell the truth, to be honest, and also I want to help those that that need supplies and are looking for supplies at a reasonable price. So thank you so much. Any questions, let me know. And you guys have a great rest of the week. Peace out.